Students, see page number 26. I am reading 1.2 paragraph, Industrial Society and Social Change. These political trends means tendency, were signs of a new time, means symbol of new time. Whatever happenings in the political field, the new ideas emerged, developed, came out in the field of, we can say, the politics as well as the political. We can see the so many changes, new ideas. So these were the symbols of new time, new change also. It was a time of profound means, underline, profound means difficult to understand. Now this was the time. Now difficult to understand what? Social and economic changes, whatever happenings, so people easily could not understand, means something difficult. It was a time when new cities came up. Now new cities were developed, new cities were established also at that time. This was the time. And new industrial regions develop, new industrial cities also develop, new towns and as well as the cities also develop at that time. Railways expanded, railways in the field of, we can say, the development of the transportations. Now railway arrived, railways expanded, and the industrial revolution occurred. Industrial revolution happened. This was the time. Industrialization brought men, women and children to factories. Because of the industrialization, because of this process, men, women and children, all of they came where? In the factories for work. They became laborers. Work hours were often long and wages were poor. That was the situation. They had to work long hours, and what they got, what they received, wages in form of wages very less, poor. Unemployment was common. Unemployment, that was the, we can see, that time so many people, they were remained without work. Unemployment was common, particularly during that time of low demand for industrial goods, means at the time of when we can see the unemployment large, when during times at the time of when low demand of industrial goods, the demands, there was no demands for the goods, for the product, whatever the things which were available in the market, goods. So people, they demanded less at that time, so unemployment increased. Housing and sanitation were problems. Now housing also problem, sanitation also problem. Since towns were growing now day by day because of the industrialization, cities developed, towns also developed. So housing problems as well as the sanitation problems also created. Liberals and radicals, both of them, search for solution to these issues. Now they wanted to find out best, we can say, the answer. They wanted to find out the solution. They wanted to solve housing problem as well as the sanitation problem as well as another problem also, both of them. Almost, I am reading this one, Try to understand. Almost all industries were the property of individuals. Now, industries were the property of individuals means industries, factories which were controlled by individual or group of people, not government. Liberals and radicals themselves were often property owners and employers. Means liberals as well as the radicals, both of them, the people, those who were participated in this group, liberal and as well as the radical group, in that groups. So they were also, they had property. They were called the property owner as well as they and employer also, means laborers, they worked for them in their factories as well as in their industries also. So they were the owner of the factories. Who? Liberals as well as the radicals, having made their wealth through trade or industrial ventures. Ventures means their business. Now how they collected money, capital or wealth? Through business. They felt that such effort should be encouraged. Now some liberals as well as some radicals, now they felt that they wanted such efforts, okay, for developing business ventures should be encouraged. That is the benefits. Now they wanted to take benefits would be achieved if the workforce, here workforce means laborers, in the economy was healthy. If the laborers, if they are healthy, good, so they could get good benefits, they could earn, okay, they could earn. Otherwise, without laborers, without work power, means we can say that without manpower, how could they work? So they focused on that point. Workforce in the economy was healthy and citizens were educated. So they focused on these 2 points. The citizens should be educated, then they could earn properly. Opposed to the privileges, special rights. Nobility and the clergy people, they had special rights as well as the power, so they opposed to these special rights. The old aristocracy had by birth, means aristocracy people, those who we can say the people like these people, nobility people, they had special rights and power. Those who enjoyed by birth such special rights. So to such a special rights, liberals and the radicals people, they opposed. They firmly believed in the values of individual effort. So they were in favor of the individual people's effort, individual effort, labor and enterprise. So they believed in the hard work, they believed in the, we can say, the labor, their power, manpower, as well as the business. Enterprise means business. If freedom of individuals was ensured, they believed that if freedom was given to them, to the individual, to the people, if the poor could labor, if the poor people, if they had a freedom, they could easily work. So what happened? And those with capital, now the rich people, the property owners and we can say the industrialists, etc. So they had a capital and they should have freedom to operate whatever they had, capital, freely, without restraint. Restraint means without limitation, without any control, any burden, any pressure. They believed that societies would develop, then the society will develop. they believed in that. Okay, we can say they believed in that, we can say the format or situation. They wanted to change the society in that form. Many working men and women who wanted changes. So many people, men and women, those who wanted change in the world, rallied means came together, gathered, where around liberal and radical groups, those who wanted change, men and women. So they joined in radical as well as in liberal groups and parties in the early 19th century. At that time, now I am reading this one. Some nationalists, liberals and radicals wanted revolutions. Now they wanted revolutions. They wanted revolution as well as to put an end. They wanted to end also. What? To the kind of governments. They wanted to end. They wanted to cancel, finish the types of government. A kind of governments. Established in Europe in 1815. After the 1815, the government which was established, the governments in various countries after the 1815. So they wanted to end, they wanted to finish such type of government. In France, in Italy, in Germany and Russia, they became revolutionaries. They wanted to end such type of government. Now liberals as well as the radicals people, they became revolutionaries. They wanted to change and work to overthrow means remove existing monarchs. They wanted to change the monarchy. Nationalists talked of revolutions that would create nations. They wanted to create a country or nations. How? Where all citizens would have, now I am reading this one, would have equal rights. They wanted, these are revolutionaries, they wanted to establish such type of country or nation where all people, now citizen would have equal rights, equality will be there. After 1815, now listen carefully students, this paragraph. After 1815, Giuseppe Mazzini, underline and keep in your mind this name, Giuseppe Mazzini, an Italian nationalist. He was an Italian nationalist, revolutionary, Italian revolutionary. Giuseppe Mazzini conspired means, now he made secretly planned with someone to do. Now he prepared or made schemes secretly. It's called the conspired. Giuseppe Mazzini, he made a plan secretly, we can say, with others. Why? To achieve this in Italy, because he wanted to establish such a country where there will be equality. Nationalists elsewhere, other nationalists also in another country, including India, in our country also, read his writings. Now our revolutionaries also, they also followed his writings. Now students, now new paragraph, the coming of socialism to Europe, we'll read in next clip. Thank you very much.